Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new over here, hi, my name is Nikita. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. I hope you will stick around with me in my journey. On my channel, I have done various videos already where I take a particular part of makeup, take you guys through the process in brief. I wanted to keep doing those type of series. So in addition to those type of videos, I decided to make a video on eyeshadows. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through how you can create different type of looks using one palette. To be creating 3 looks. First one would be fresh summer eyeshadow look, second would be the glamorous eyeshadow look, and the third one would be the classic smoky eye look, which I'm wearing right now. If you're interested in learning something new, please keep on watching. This first look, I wanted to try something which is pretty normal and pretty basic but yet very summery. So
like all the colors of this palette, but I really like this orange yellowish eyeshadow right here. So I wanted to try to do something with that as well. So I'll be using that color for creating the first fresh summer makeup look.
So yeah, let's get started. One particular video on eyeshadows, and in that video I take you guys through all the technical terms and all the technical terminologies about makeup. So if you're interested, click the card right here and go and watch it. Taking this very light shade of brown right here and use it as a transition color into my crease. Since this look is supposed to be very simple, so next I'm just going to take this orange shade from this palette and apply it all over my eyelids. Next I'm going to bring the color down onto my lower lashes as well. So I'm going to take the color, the exact same color that I used on my crease line. I kind of like it the way it is right now. Next I'm just going to take a liquid liner from Oriflame and I'm just going to apply a classic wing. Dramatic, and it's just a normal simple eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara after it. For lips, I'm just going to keep it very simple and very subtle and nude. For lips, I'm just going to dab some Maybelline's Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color in Mysterious Mocha on my lips. This is the first complete look. It looks like I'm carrying a sunset on my eyes, which I really like it. I'm just going to clean this all up. And second look, I'm going to do a glam eyeshadow look. So I'm just going to take this color right here and apply it on my crease line as a transition shade. I'm going to mix some deep brown and some black and apply it on the outer areas of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this shiny brown shade and apply it on my eyelids. I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and blend everything in. Very glamorous eyeshadow look. I'm just going to apply some mascara and then I'm going to put some false lashes. This eyeshadow look, it's very heavy on eyes and it is a classic smoky eye, so I would recommend doing the eyes first and then going ahead and doing the rest of the face. So I'm going to do the same right now. I'm going to do my eyes first, so I'm going to start priming my eyes. Next thing that I'm going to do is conceal a little bit of my eyes because I have dark eyelids as well as I have dark circles as well. I'm just going to lightly conceal everything in. Today as a transition shade I am going to be using let's say this brown. I'm going to be taking the darkest of dark brown, which is right here, and apply it all over my eyelids. Take a black liner and outline my eyes with it. I'm going to take a pencil brush and smudge the liner that I've just applied. I'm going to take this black eyeshadow from the palette, this very thin brush, and I'm just going to outline the liner that I've applied on my eyelids. Do my whole makeup and come back again to finish the under eye as well. Now for the bottom eyes, I am going to outline my lower lash line with the same gel eyeliner, and I'm going to make a thick line on my lower lash line. Again to the black eyeshadow right here from the same palette and apply it over my liner. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara over it. I'm going to finally finish this look by applying some new lipstick. For today's video guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you found this video a bit helpful, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you get notified each time and if you recreate any of these looks, please don't forget to tag me on my social medias. My social medias will be linked down in the description box below. Please comment down below what kind of a video would you like me to do next, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.